Welcome to Cape Town. So we're on our yearly wave camp in Cape Town. We escape the winter for 3 months every year down in Cape Town, so we really love it down here. So we just have a lot of wave riders here at the moment. And then we just received these new boards, the Mitu PRO 2018. It's a very flexible board with stringers on the side of the board to still make it strong for like aerial riding or anything like that, but still have a good flex in the board. And you have the channel here, just to take the shock better and better for aerial landings and stuff. And a proper concave in the back. Keep the control if a little bit choppy water, control through the bottom turn. New high performance fins. Boards look really, really nice. So we've been waiting for these boards for a while now and can't wait to ride them. So these boards are very flexible, so I'm going to show you how flexible they are. So this is probably one of the most selling boards for many, many years. Developed even more now. A bit more volume in the nose, so it doesn't dig too much rail. You can get a little more planing out like the wind. If you want something new in the waves that excels your riding, the little thing you want with boards, it's going to make your riding better, not worse. A lot of kiteboard doesn't really have the finesse, but these boards definitely have something special. Give it a go.